Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to like a slide on Slideshare. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to like a slide on Slideshare. Maybe because you want to like it so that you could save them in a list so whenever you want them, you could find them from that list. Or maybe you really like the content on that slide so you just want to like appreciate it by just liking to it, or there could be any other reason for you to like a slide on SlideShare. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can like a slide on SlideShare. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the SlideShare app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the SlideShare app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Right now we're in the home section, therefore you could see we have multiple options for slides that we could save, like and share. Other than home section, we have this explore section. Once we get there, if you're looking for something specific, you could search for it, and also categories are available. If you go to you, this will be your profile. There you could see stuff like your name, following, follower, like, save and other stuff. So now what we have to do here is that if you want to like any slide, you have to get back to home. There you will see all the different slides. Let's say you want to like this slide. So at the bottom of this slide, we have these options. Just simply click on to this first option, like, and that slide will get liked. If you want to read the slide, then you want to like that one. Therefore, you have to open any of your slide choice. Once you open it, you will go through some of its pages, read it content, get to know more about it. And if you like that slide and you want to like it, then we have an option at the right bottom or maybe the left bottom which says like. Once you tap on it, this slide will get liked by you. As now you have liked two of the slides and now you want to access them, therefore you have to go to you. There you will see these categories. You have to select this middle one which is like. Once you tap on it, there you will see the slides that you have liked it. You can tap onto it, can read them, can go through it, and whenever you need that slides you can find them in your profile. They will be there. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can like slides on SlideShare. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.